Welcome back, hunters. Today we're discussing 5 calibers that experienced hunters often move away from as they gain more field experience. These aren't bad rounds, but modern alternatives offer better performance for today's hunting challenges. Let's explore why many seasoned hunters have upgraded from these classic calibers and what makes them less ideal for serious hunting in 2025. Number 5. 30-30 Winchester. The 30-30 Winchester has been around since 1895 and remains popular among lever-action rifle enthusiasts. This caliber was designed for deer hunting at moderate ranges and served American hunters well for over a century. However, modern hunters face different challenges that expose this cartridge's limitations. The 30-30 delivers adequate power for white-tailed deer within 150 yards, but struggles beyond that distance. Its rainbow-like trajectory makes precise shot placement difficult at longer ranges. The rounded bullet design, required for tubular magazines, has poor ballistic coefficient compared to modern Spitzer bullets. Many hunters find the recoil manageable, and ammunition remains widely available and affordable. Lever-action rifles chambered in 30-30 are typically lightweight and easy to carry through thick woods. The caliber works fine for brush hunting where shots are close. However, serious hunters recognize its velocity limitations prevent clean kills on larger game. The energy drop-off at distance means wounded animals rather than quick harvests. Modern cartridges deliver flatter trajectories and better terminal performance. Pros: affordable ammunition that's available everywhere from small-town stores to major retailers nationwide. Manageable recoil makes it comfortable for new shooters and allows quick follow-up shots when needed. Proven track record with over 125 years of successful deer hunting across North America. Cons: limited effective range of only 150-200 yards makes longer shots nearly impossible with confidence. Poor ballistic coefficient means significant bullet drop and wind drift beyond 100 yards. Insufficient power for elk, moose, or other large game animals that require deeper penetration. Number 4. 22-250 Remington. The 22-250 Remington earned its reputation as a varmint cartridge with incredibly flat trajectory and minimal recoil. This caliber excels at long-range prairie dog and groundhog shooting where pinpoint accuracy matters most. However, many hunters mistakenly try using it for big game hunting, which creates serious problems. The small bullet diameter and lightweight don't deliver enough energy for ethical deer-sized game kills. Wind drift becomes problematic at extended ranges despite the high velocity. Barrel life is notably short due to the high powder charge and small bore diameter, requiring expensive replacements. The 22-250 shoots exceptionally flat out to 300 yards for small targets. Recoil is almost non-existent, allowing shooters to spot their own impacts through the scope. Ammunition selection is good for varmint bullets but limited for hunting larger animals. The cartridge wastes meat on small game like coyotes due to explosive bullet performance. Many states legally prohibit .22-250 for deer hunting because it's underpowered. Experienced hunters know this caliber sits in an awkward middle ground. Pros: extremely flat trajectory with minimal bullet drop allows precise shots on small targets at distance. Almost no recoil lets shooters maintain sight picture and see bullet impact through the scope. Outstanding accuracy potential makes it perfect for varmint control and target shooting applications. Cons: illegal for big game hunting in many states due to insufficient bullet weight and energy. Terrible barrel life of only 1,500-2,000 rounds before accuracy degrades and replacement needed. Explosive bullet performance ruins meat and pelts even on medium-sized predators like coyotes. Number 3. 243 Winchester. The 243 Winchester bridges the gap between varmint cartridges and deer rifles, but does neither job perfectly. This caliber gained popularity as a dual-purpose round for predators and smaller deer. Light recoil makes it appealing to youth and smaller-framed shooters learning to hunt. However, the 243 sits at the absolute minimum for ethical deer hunting in most situations. Bullet selection becomes critical, since lightweight varmint bullets fragment too easily on big game. The small case capacity limits powder charge and overall energy delivery on impact. Many hunters experience wounded deer that run far after marginal hits with 243 rifles. The cartridge works adequately on broadside shots within 200 yards on average whitetails. Beyond that range or with non-ideal shot angles, the 243 frequently underperforms. Penetration through heavy bone structure is questionable at best with this caliber. Wind drift affects the lighter bullets significantly during windy hunting conditions. Experienced hunters recognize that stepping up to 6.5 Creedmoor or 308 Winchester provides much better performance. Pros: mild recoil makes it excellent for teaching young hunters proper shooting fundamentals without flinching. Dual-purpose capability handles coyotes and deer with appropriate bullet selection for each situation. Widely available ammunition at reasonable prices from all major manufacturers and sporting goods stores. Cons: marginal power for deer-sized game often results in wounded animals requiring difficult tracking jobs. Poor penetration on quartering shots or heavy bone means lost game and unethical hunting situations. Wind drift significantly affects accuracy beyond 250 yards due to lightweight bullet construction design. Number 2. 300 Winchester Magnum. The 300 Winchester Magnum delivers tremendous power and long-range capability, but most hunters don't need this much cartridge. This Magnum round generates punishing recoil that causes flinching and poor shooting habits in many shooters. Muzzle blast is significant even with hearing protection, making range sessions unpleasant experiences. The heavy recoil requires substantial practice to shoot accurately, yet most hunters rarely practice enough. Ammunition costs nearly double compared to standard calibers, discouraging regular range time and skill development. Barrel life suffers from the high powder charge and pressure, wearing out faster than standard cartridges. The 300 Win Mag excels for extreme long-range shots beyond 500 yards on large game. However, average hunting situations rarely require shots beyond 300 yards where standard calibers work fine. The additional velocity provides minimal real-world advantage for typical hunting distances. Many hunters buy Magnums for perceived power but never utilize the cartridge's true capabilities. Overkill on deer-sized game causes excessive meat damage and wasted venison from bullet fragmentation. Pros: exceptional long-range capability maintains energy and accuracy well beyond 500 yards for distant targets. Plenty of power for any North American game including elk, moose, and brown bear. Excellent bullet selection with numerous premium hunting loads from every major ammunition manufacturer. Cons: punishing recoil causes flinching and accuracy problems for most hunters who don't practice regularly. Expensive ammunition at nearly $2 per round discourages the practice needed for proficiency. Excessive power destroys meat on deer-sized game and is unnecessary for most hunting situations. Number 1. 270 Winchester. The 270 Winchester once dominated the hunting rifle market as the go-to caliber for everything. This cartridge earned legendary status through Jack O'Connor's writings in the mid-1900s era. However, modern ballistics technology has revealed better options that outperform this aging round significantly. The 270 uses an odd bullet diameter that limits selection compared to more common calibers. Barrel twist rates in most .270 rifles won't stabilize modern heavy-for-caliber bullets properly. This prevents shooters from using high BC bullets that resist wind drift and extend effective range. The cartridge produces more recoil than necessary for the actual ballistic performance delivered downrange. Ammunition availability has declined as hunters switch to more versatile modern options like 6.5 calibers. The 270 doesn't offer any real advantage over 6.5 PRC or 7mm cartridges today. Its legacy reputation keeps it relevant rather than actual superior performance in field conditions. Wind drift at extended ranges proves worse than newer cartridges with better bullet designs. Pros: proven hunting cartridge with decades of successful harvests on deer, antelope, and similar-sized game. Flat shooting trajectory out to 300 yards makes holdover calculations simple for most shots. Adequate bullet selection still available, though fewer premium options than more popular calibers. Cons: limited bullet selection with odd diameter means fewer modern high BC options for improved ballistics. Standard barrel twist rates won't stabilize heavy bullets that provide better long-range performance. No significant advantage over modern 6.5mm or 7mm cartridges that offer superior ballistics. These 5 calibers served hunters well in their time, but modern alternatives offer better performance, efficiency, and versatility. Technology advances have given us cartridges with less recoil, flatter trajectories, and better terminal performance. Consider upgrading to proven modern options like 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 PRC, or .308 Winchester for more successful hunts. Thanks for watching, and remember to always practice safe firearm handling. Hit subscribe for more hunting content, and let me know your experiences with these calibers in the comments below.